Hello everybody! This is my newest character project made with Blender 3D. It's not finished yet, but I wanted to show the current progress. So thank you for checking this out. That's all for now. See you on the next time.